Hello, sixth graders. This is Mr. Ott here, and today I'm going to be reading another story from Greek mythology. Once again, Greek mythology has to do with the stories of gods and goddesses and the people that they interact with. Today I'm going to be reading the story Icarus, the son who wouldn't listen. I hope you enjoy the story. Have you ever wanted to do something your parents warned you against? Listen to the story of Icarus. Daedalus, the father of Icarus, was the finest craftsman in Greece. King Minos called Daedalus to the island of Crete and asked him to build a labyrinth. Now King Minos was a very wicked man. When Daedalus finished his work, Minos said, "You and your son alone know the way in and out of this maze. I cannot let you go." So the king had Daedalus and Icarus locked away in a tower. Every day they looked out to the sea and longed to escape. As Daedalus watched seagulls fly, he got an idea. Using crumbs to entice the birds to the tower, Daedalus began collecting their feathers. He glued the feathers to wooden frames using candle wax and made two pairs of wings. "We're going to fly away from this island," he told his son. "But you must be careful not to fly too high, or the sun will melt the wax." "I promise to be careful, father," Icarus said. Father and son spread their wings and jumped from the tower. Soon they were soaring over the seas. Icarus was so excited he became careless and forgot his father's warning. Higher and higher Icarus flew, when suddenly one feather spun loose, then another and another, until finally he had no wings left at all. Icarus spiraled downward and splashed into the sea. Unable to save his son, the grieving Daedalus flew home alone. So whenever you see a bird soaring overhead, remember, listen to your elders and stay safe.